Hello everyone, welcome to Explore CSE Knowledge. Today we are going to learn about Python indentation. Python indentation is very important. Python uses indentation to indicate a block of code. Python will give you an error if you skip the indentation. The number of spaces is up to you as a programmer. The most common use is 4, but it has to be at least 1. So we are giving an example in the Google Colab, like if. So here I typing the code if 4 is greater than 2, then it's automatically take indentation in Google Colab. Print 4 is greater than 2. Just print this. See, here is the output is 4 is greater than 2, and if you miss the indentation, then it will give you an error. See, I will see you an example, same example. Like if you don't use indentation, it will show you an error. See, indentation error expected an indented block after if statement on line 1. You have to use the same number of spaces in the same block of code. Otherwise, Python will give you an error. Like it's the same example I'm using. So in the next line, I have to use the same indentation. If I am using different indentation in the same block of code, then it will show you an error. Here I run the cell. See, indentation error, expected indent. So if I am run on the cell in the same indentation, then it show the output.